Hello and welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make an espresso martini. This is something that my wife and some of her girlfriends had last weekend and really enjoyed, really loved. I think I figured out how to make it about the way they had it that night. Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so we're going to start out with a shaker full of ice, and we're going to take 2 ounces of vodka. I'm using Tito's, just any good vodka will work. We're gonna use 2 ounces of espresso. One thing you can do if you don't have an espresso maker, you can go to coffee shop, Starbucks, Pete's, your local mom and pop shop, have them make up some espresso shots for you. You can put in the fridge. It's ideal to make this with all the liquids going in here at room temperature. So 2 ounces of espresso. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Bailey's. And we're doing a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. It's really easy to make. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio of water and sugar. So just boil some water. I put the water and the sugar in here, shook it up thoroughly, and this will keep for up to a month or so. And then we're doing a 1/2 ounce of Kahlua. And we'll give this a really thorough shake. And then we just pour that into our little martini glass here. And you'll see it's a nice foamy, kind of a creamy mixture. And then we'll garnish that with a couple of espresso beans. And there you have it, the espresso martini.